Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to backup Android phone to Google Drive. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the mobile phone settings and open it. Once the settings open, on the settings page, use the search bar to find the backup or scroll down to find the additional settings. Once you find, tap to open it. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on backup and restore. On this page, tap on backup. Here you can see I have already added my Google account for backup, but for demonstration, let me show you how to do this. I will tap on Manage Storage. This will open your active email address list. Select one to move to the next step. Here, if you don't have enough storage, it will inform you, but otherwise, it will ask you to turn on the backup feature and the selected Google Drive will be set for backup on your Android phone. And that's it. This is how you can backup your Android phone to Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.